right, navy blue and white cabinets in the house. Job complete. Did it all by myself. And got me an accent cabinet too. I like that. Oh wait. Okay, now I got me an accent cabinet. Got that crystal head, crystal skull vodka, and single barrel Jack Daniels. Think I might have me a drink tonight. Cheers to me. Good job. All right, this is day 3. And for day 3, Citrus Strip has been working on these doors right here, all the bottom part. And it's taking it off pretty good, one layer at a time, Citrus Strip. If you just have one coat of paint, you can't go wrong. Then I went back to Lowe's and I brought this quick stripper, and it's a spray-on kind. And I use that for that cabinet. And that's also just spraying it one time, and that's what it did. It took one layer off at a time. So now we're gonna escalate. Bam! We bought a heat gun, baby. And we're gonna see what the heat gun does and watching it in action. So the heat gun is the way to go. But I did have a head start because I have used that. But I think the heat gun is the fastest alternative. That's what we're gonna go with, baby. This did good for one layer at a time up there, and same thing for that, one layer at a time. And I will use the rest of it because I'll probably do another coat. But this heat gun, I think this is the route that I'm gonna go. Another reason, use the heat gun outside. Fire alarm going on. All right, I finally made it to wood. This is day 3, but the heat gun saved mad time. Down to wood. Alright, so I sanded this piece, got it smooth, and now I'm gonna move it over into my other station. Right here, I set these painted tripods up. Alright, and what I have set up here is my mineral spirits. That's the one I'm using, and pour some in there, and I'm gonna just paint it on here. Help clean up the paint, clean up the wood. So I'll just do it like so with the mineral spirits. I'm being kind of liberal with it because I want to. And once you put the mineral spirits on it, also shows, gives you a preview if you got some imperfections that you need to take care of. But for the most part, just cleaning up the wood, get the dust and stuff off, get it ready for your paint. And I'll do the inside and the outside of the doors. I'm doing this like so because when I go and I sand the next piece, this piece will be drying over here, and then I'll put this piece on here. See, I still got my numbers on the drawer. That's upside down, but you know what number it is. Alright, on to the next piece of wood. Alright, next up is priming the wood. I sand it down, put some mineral spirits on it, try to get some of that dust and crap off of it, get it prepped. And I got my numbers right here on the inside of the door, 6, 7, I got 15 doors. And this is my little code, my little cheat sheet right here. So the top part, I'm gonna have the white cabinets, and the bottom I'm gonna do blue. Hopefully that'll look okay or good. Right here I'm gonna take 7. So now I'm gonna prime, and what I'm using today is Bullseye's 2 multi-purpose high hiding formula because this wood is old and it's in the kitchen, so we'll see how it goes. And let's go get this work. Alright, first coat of primer is on. And that's that. Back outside. Alright, I got all my cabinet doors painted. There's dust on there. Alright, so I got my white painted and I got my navy over there. Navy was tricky. I had to go through first can of paint. That was not navy. Then I ended up getting that one. So get samples. Be smart. Be smarter than me. And now we're gonna go put everything back together. That blue might look good, pretty good though, I think.